Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. And this is Kendrick one more time. This is my fucking account. You must see I just started my garden. Yeah, you must see that I have a bee. My brother did that, okay? It's my other garden. Other garden. This is my garden. My main account. I check the move because ang gamit ko ang isa. This is the one I am vlogging right now. I'm going to upload more videos. Don't worry. Have some pollen, blah blah blah. You must see my new account. It's better in mine. So, compare ko. Look at that. Diba? Hashtag kay Alexa. Best friend ko. Hashtag na nga join ka pa ante. Ha ante. Bakit mo bigyan ng kabuhi ko? Charis. So, goodbye na pala. This is the end of the part 1. Grow up the garden. I will keep posting. Yeah, that is all for me. Bye.